Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you pretty quickly how to select customer contact method. So let's get started. In bottom left corner you need to press on settings option in your Shopify account. Press in settings guys right here and you can check it out. A huge menu will pop up. So what do we need here? General plan building. Down below you need to scroll and see, check out this little chart right here. So let's press on it and see customer contact method is here. The contact method customers enter at checkout will receive order and shipping notifications. So you can select either phone number or email to send SMS updates. You need to install an SMS app right here. All you need to do is to press on it, or you can just select an email option right here. So you can choose between those two. Show a link for customers to track their order with Shop right here. Customers will be able to download the app from the order status page, or right here require customers to log in to their account before checkout. Customers can only use email when login is required. You can check that and see that this notification and the warning will pop up guys. If you check that out, requiring a login may discourage some customers from checking out and reduce your store's total orders. To manage the current login experience, go to customer account settings. So it's super easy in checkout box right here guys. All you need to do is to select wherever option suits you the best.